Okay, girl. I will call you later, okay? Wait, what a storm coming in 5 hours. I need to go and tell my mother. Mom, look at this.
OMG, but I got a hair appointment today. I need to inform your dad about this. Mike, wake up, Mike. I said wake up. Now the storm is coming. Mike!
What happened? A storm, but I am going out with the boys tonight.
Luke, you and your sister go bring pillows inside. Honey me, and you will be going to the store before they close.
Okay, I guess I have to go and tell her. Let's go and bring pillows inside.
Where is my iPhone 11 Pro? Go get it, I need to call my friend.
I don't have time for that, please. Just do what Dad said we must do and go get your phone yourself.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine.
Kids, we are back, and we got many good stuff.
Yes, finally they are back and I can eat some food.
Let's go, I am so hangry.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found.
But I was thinking that you and your dad go decorate the room, me, and your sister will make some food.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want.
Let's go and check on the boys and see if they are done.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? Sunshine, sunshine.